The roar of the engine fills the air like a symphony of power, the kind of sound that turns every head on the street before the car even comes into view. As the sleek body of a supercar glides into the frame, the first thing that strikes you is not just the design, but the sheer presence it carries. Supercars are more than vehicles, they are the pinnacle of engineering, artistry, and speed combined into one masterpiece that defines the boundaries of what's possible on four wheels. Every curve is sculpted with precision, every angle is designed to slice through air with minimal resistance, and every detail has a story of craftsmanship that goes beyond the ordinary world of cars. When you step closer, the glistening paint reflects the light like a jewel. The low-slung stance almost whispers about the speeds it can achieve, and the wide tires grip the ground with the confidence of a predator ready to pounce. This is no regular car. This is a machine created with a single obsession: performance at the highest level. The story of supercars is not only about luxury but about innovation, pushing technology forward so that speed, control, and adrenaline blend into one unforgettable experience. Imagine sitting behind the wheel, hands resting on a leather-wrapped steering wheel stitched with perfection, the cockpit surrounding you like the control room of a fighter jet, everything placed exactly where it should be. The engine, often a V8, V10, or even a mighty V12, waits like a beast ready to be unleashed. The moment your foot presses the accelerator, the response is instant. The sound that erupts is raw, primal, and exhilarating, a sound that seems to pulse through your chest. The acceleration throws you back into your seat, 0 to 60 miles per hour in just a few seconds, faster than most people can even react. The scenery blurs, the road becomes a ribbon of possibilities, and suddenly you realize this is more than driving, it's an experience few can ever forget. Supercars are not just about speed, they are about control. Every movement of the steering wheel, every press of the pedal, every shift of the gear is met with perfect precision. It's like the car knows what you want before you even do, a seamless connection between human and machine. What makes these machines so special is the fusion of art and science. Take a look at the aerodynamic design. Every vent, every spoiler, every line on the body is calculated to keep the car glued to the ground at insane speeds. Engineers spend thousands of hours in wind tunnels to perfect these details, ensuring not just beauty but functionality. Underneath that stunning exterior lies a heart of innovation, engines capable of producing mind-bending horsepower, lightweight carbon fiber frames that make the car both stronger and faster, and suspension systems designed to hug the road even when taking corners at breakneck speeds. But supercars are not only about mechanics. They represent dreams. For many, owning one is the ultimate goal, a symbol of success, freedom, and achievement. They are rare, often handcrafted in limited numbers, each one unique and special. Step inside and you're greeted with interiors that blend comfort and sportiness, hand-stitched leather, polished carbon fiber, aluminum accents, and cutting-edge digital displays that give you all the information you need while making you feel like you're piloting something out of the future. Yet the magic of supercars goes beyond numbers and design. It's about the emotional connection they create. Standing next to one, you feel excitement, curiosity, and admiration. Watching one race past you leaves a memory etched in your mind. Driving one, even for a moment, can change your perspective on what cars can truly be. It's a combination of adrenaline, fear, and joy all rolled into one unforgettable ride. Throughout history, names like Ferrari, Lamborghini, McLaren, Bugatti, and Porsche have become legends in the world of supercars. Each one with its philosophy, each one pushing the limits in its own way. Ferrari with its rich racing heritage, Lamborghini with its wild and aggressive designs, McLaren with its focus on technology and aerodynamics, Bugatti with its insane power and top speeds, Porsche with its timeless blend of performance and daily usability. These brands are not just manufacturers, they are storytellers, each supercar they release a chapter in the ongoing saga of automotive evolution. And while supercars are built for speed, they also inspire innovation that trickles down to everyday cars. Hybrid systems, lightweight materials, and safety technologies often appear in supercars first before eventually finding their way into the vehicles that people drive daily. They are the test beds of the future, showing what's possible when imagination meets engineering without compromise. Picture yourself on an open road, the sun setting in the distance, the engine humming beneath you, and the car responding like an extension of your own body. Every gear shift is crisp, every turn feels effortless, and the world outside fades into a blur. That's the dream supercars deliver, the fantasy of pure driving pleasure. Even those who may never own one can feel the magic simply by watching them in action, hearing their engines, or even seeing them parked as a piece of rolling art. Supercars remind us that boundaries are meant to be pushed, that perfection is something worth chasing, and that sometimes the extraordinary is possible. They are not just machines but emotions on wheels, combining the finest materials, the most advanced technologies, and the wildest dreams of designers and engineers. They are the ultimate celebration of speed, beauty, and passion. And as long as there are dreamers in the world, there will always be supercars inspiring us to go faster, aim higher, and believe in the impossible.